What are lambda expressions? Lambda is an anonymous function that we can use as a value. This means that we can simply pass it as an argument to another function or return from a function. Example number 1. Here we have assigned lambda expression to a variable named sum, which takes the values of two int types as input and returns int as output. On the left side of the expression, we define input type and return type. Int, int means that the function will take two integer values as input, and the last int part means that the function will return an integer value as output. Now we will see the right side of the equal sign of expression. Here is a function where a, b on the left side of the arrow indicates the two integer values that we get as the parameters of the function. And the integer value by a plus b indicates that we will return from the function. Here we do not need to return the value with a return statement like a normal function. The last line of lambda expression works as a return statement. So here the value of a plus b will return. Now if we want, we can call it like a normal function. Example number 2. Here we see the value of int type as an input parameter, and its return type is unit. Here unit is the equivalent of Java void. This means that when we do not want to return something, we use the return type unit. Inside the curly braces on the right side, it is seen that the keyword it has been used. This is because if we just send an argument to the lambda function and do not define a name for it, then the compiler will take it as default. We could define lambda expression in this way if we wanted. Here any valid variable name can be used in place of n. Now we can call the function if we want. Lambda expression has more advanced level applications, such as lambda expression is used in higher order function, like let, apply, also, with, etc. Moreover, we can remove the hassle of callback with lambda function and also use it with extension functions.